to put the sheet metal on the front door, finish that off, trim it out, and we'll move to the top. I got it.
Gratuitous use of peanut butter jars for screw storage.
Measure how far, from the outside of the log to the inside. We gotta cut out that section in here. I think we're gonna have to nibble it out until we fit it in. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rough cut it about halfway. You didn't want a lawn up here.
No, I didn't. It's not for a lawn. It's just,
Oh no!
it's to keep the trees out.
Yeah, keep those trees out of here. Fun to me, Keith. I'm sorry. I got you on this one. You can't fight this one.
I can fight.
No, you can't.
I can
It's
fight.
not.
I can fight.
It is
any
not.
point
That
of
is
view.
a lawn.
Any point of view, I can fight.
That is a lawn.
That's not a lawn. That's a hayfield.
Oh yeah, look at all the hay out there. Yeah, just cords and bales full of hay. It's a freaking lawn.
That's a hayfield. Don't you?
Guy was just dead set against having a lawn out. Do you remember how he was just picking me to pieces? Oh, you get a lawn out there, you'll be cutting it every day. What's he doing? Every 2 weeks he's out here cutting a lawn.
Well, how do you prevent the forest from taking over?
Burn it to the ground.
Truck drivers.
Well, it's simple. No work, you light a match and let her go.
Landscaping by napalm.
Fucking right. We get a vase of weeds, we get trees, we get everything. One stop shopping. Oh, Keith. He's looking pretty damn close. A little more of a curve. That's very easy.
Are those your new ones, Keith?
Yep. I showed him already. He was impressed. I couldn't believe it.
Why?
Because he bought something new.
I didn't. Vaughn did.
Oh, jeez!
I started looking at those things that were half working, so.
We're still working. They didn't work, were they? They worked in the 1960s. That's when they worked.
I got some new ones
Just
now.
throwing your money around.
Oh yeah, just throwing it away. $4.98. Yeah, I'll be able to retire for it. Put a couple screws in it, just to hold there and then open it. Yeah, see how it's going to open. Might have to screw it. I want these ribs to line up. Yeah, see, the funny thing is, I don't think I missed it last time. Catching on that kid at the bottom there, too. Yeah, second.
interesting how the tall guy ended up inside the little barn.
Brains on the outside.
Oh my lord!
You said train? There's a train outside?
Yeah.
Hold it too tight there. It's gonna work. You gonna use it? I think it's good. Yeah, we're gonna work. It's good. Use your axe.
That edge is wicked sharp though. What are you going to put on the edge of the metal there?
Yeah. I think if we put I'll get a piece of black hose and I'll just split it down and just put it over the edge.
Yeah, because that is really wicked sharp. No one will ever know what. That you had 2 holes in it? Yeah, I think they'll see from the earlier video.
No, we planned that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. He's a mechanic, he's over engineering it, that's right.
We're back to the heavy airplane again.
Afraid so.
You know, you get 20 of these in your pocket, right? And only 2 red screws. You think the odds are even bigger than
One. Like a glove. All the way out to here. As soon as you went to open the door, well, that tin would just push against this beam, and you wouldn't be able to open the door. So we gotta go through here. Yeah. To the edge, Are they both the same?
Or 13 or 5 feet.
But I think what we'll do, let's get that little piece.
Do it in the middle too, so
So are we gonna put a board on there?
Yep.
I can do that?
yeah, you can do that.
I got my chop saw.
Okay, why don't you snap the chops off and you trim that out.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, gee, what do you do? I can't open the door anymore.
By me.
Well, he's just trying to be sarcastic.
Rediger and subtle.
Sarcastic and Rediger, yeah.
Yeah, that goes together too, yeah.
Yeah, we sent the police after you for graffitiing the inside of the cabin.
10-4.
I was wondering if you're gonna notice that.
Oh, they noticed it.
Truthfully, Pat ratted you out.
Pat ratted you out.
We didn't even notice it.
Yeah.
Good old onions out.
Yeah.
Senior monk, he's bringing another younger monk to the abbey, and they walk by the lake, and this is our holy lake. This is where we have the holy mackerel. They walk up to this barn. This is the holy barn. This is where we have the holy cow, and this is the outhouse. This is where we have the holy.
So the way the corner was, we had to take a bit off of here, and then we had to cut the slot a bit deeper. So see how I got the door almost closed. It wouldn't when the slot is here, it wouldn't go over top of the hasp.
Oh, okay.
So we had to cut a slot in. So now we can put a lock in. You can get something real small. Any minute now we're gonna have a door here.
Might have to independently